These are some Old Harry models made from snow by Year 10. Some real nice efforts. We can see that there are a variety of landforms that have been identified, from stump, stack, arch, cave, and there are also some processes been labelled on as well. See biological weather in there, hydraulic action there. Here are some short video clips that help to illustrate what's happening. We know that hydraulic action is an erosional process that is responsible for the formation of caves and arches by making cracks in the rocks bigger, and it's all about when the water hits the cliff. Let's have a watch at one of these clips. All right, go. Okay. So there we can see the hydraulic action there, the force of the water has really left its mark at the base of the cliff, leaving our wave-cut notch, another erosional process at the base of the cliff. The second erosional process looked at was abrasion. There we are, abrasion, when the rocks are thrown against the cliff by the waves. Of course, destructive waves will throw lots of rocks at the cliff and cause erosion. So we can see some rocks at the bottom here, nicely rounded from attrition. And let's have a look at what happens when we see abrasion. There we have it, rocks being thrown at the cliffs. And again, another example where we can see the rocks being thrown at the base of the cliffs, all going to contribute towards making this wave-cut notch. All good geographers should locate their case study. So here it is, this is where Old Harry is. There he is, that's the spelling, Old Harry Rocks. He's just found there on this headland sticking out because it's made of chalk, which is slightly more resistant than the bay there, which is made of clay. And we can see that it's close to the town of Bournemouth, and the name of the coastline is the Jurassic Coast. So there it is, we've located our example. And here's what Old Harry should perhaps look like. In some of these images there, we can see there is Old Harry just on the end stack with the arches, the caves and the stumps, and here are our examples. I say they're pretty good.